What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys having an amazing day as always. We are here currently fixing my uncle's BMW. Well, not fixing it, he was just painting the calipers. You guys might remember this car from a video that I posted, that I did some shots of this car. You guys can see here, red calipers. Looks sick. We still have to do this one, and this one. I should probably do a fully dedicated video to this car, because this car is not, it was luxurious. It's not the most luxurious things out there. It is fast, I gotta admit. It does 0-60 in 4.5 seconds. Just the way that the front end of this car looks is so menacing. Under the hood there's a twin turbo V8. So this car is powered by 2 turbos. If you guys know everything about BMWs, is that they're good quality, but when they break, they're not easy to fix. But this is a car that my uncle has been owning now for a year now, and now he has been planning to trade this car in to get a 2020 CA Corvette or a 2016 CO6 Corvette. I don't know what way he's gonna take this this route. He's actually shopping for a house, him and my aunt. So after they do everything about the house, there will be, I don't know if they're gonna be getting rid of this car or keeping this car, getting another Corvette, or yeah. But my aunt actually has a 2014 or 15, I think it is, Mercedes-Benz E350. I was planning actually to do the found my dream car part 3 video, filming that car like as a review. But then my family went back to Puerto Rico. After that the pandemic started happening, COVID started happening, and a lot of virus, and so that's basically the reason why I have not done from my dream car part 3. I know I said I was going to start daily vlogging, but the reason I didn't post yesterday anything was because if I make a video and post a video, it must be interesting. It cannot be like a 2-3 minute long video. It has to be a video that I know people are gonna be a little bit interested, at least a little bit. Not like a video of me talking like I'm doing right now, but at least I show some parts of my BMW. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. If it's up here for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.